Madalang na tansan mo. Ano ba yung mga intense mo ako?
Hindi ko na. Memorize. Familiarize. Kailangan. Para ito pero wala ka naman kayo. MM. Okay, number 1. Diba? Kind of not personal is this type of business communication. Kung personal yan, parang personal na. Kung di ako na-answer, big letters, capital letters, okay, number 2, main purpose of business communication, What is the mean? What is the most formal method of communication? Business letter. Iba tayo mo galing? Ay maalas? Kaya rin natin. Kaya wala ko na-realize, wala ako nag-study, wala ko okay, career method. Miss na po na. Can you hear me? Ano ang more workable mo? Miss or Mr.?
Hindi ka comfortable. Okay lang ang
Okay lang mag-miss. Okay man mag-Mr. Any of them okay. The barrier, syempre no, is diba, pero hindi ka po nalaman ay no, in unemployment, because it will cause a barrier. Nagpapanis ko po ulit. Yung wala sa mga po. Active listening, syempre, concentrate, understand, and respond. Maski nagpamatik ka, if you are not responding, it is not active, you are not an active listener. Because you are not responding. Malay ko kung ano dahil nabiyang naisip kung alak. May psychological barrier ka. Or emotional barrier. Which are the barrier? Effective communication. Letter B. Clarity. Communication channel best coordinated feedback. Siyempre, phone call. Feedback mo, makasabay na tayo kung iyayaw mo siya.
galing.